The government will enact a right-based law in disaster management to reduce the risk of climate challenges. The chairman of the All-Party Parliamentary Committee on Climate Change, Sabir Hossain Chowdhury, disclosed the information today. But he admitted that the concerned section has not sufficient idea and clear perception in this regard. Following report reveals more.
The ozone level of the atmosphere is severely affected and the nature is losing its real beauty as well due to the adverse impact of climate change. Subsequently, natural disasters like storm, flood, drought has been increased rapidly in recent years. In today's comprehensive disaster management program and the publication ceremony of Global Assessment Report, some significant information has been focused. Bangladesh is in the top position among the most climate risk affected countries. In cyclone, Bangladesh is 6th among 89 countries. Drought, Bangladesh is 63rd among 184 countries. Flood, Bangladesh top among 162 countries. Landslide, Bangladesh 35th among 162 countries. Earthquake, Bangladesh 17th among 153 countries. Tsunami, Bangladesh 3rd among 165 countries. Food and Disaster Management Minister in this regard said all the development partners should increase the investment in disaster management and tackling climate changes.
Those moving to the cities are facing the completely different breeds of urban setting disaster risk. Against that backdrop, the changes in the climate variability, the indispensable counterparts to Bangladesh people and the government.
Replying to a query on achieving success in post-disaster management program, the speaker said,
কিন্তু আমাদের সেই নীতিগুলো পলিসিগুলো হয়তো আমরা এখনো স্পষ্ট করি না সেটা আমরা নির্ধারণ করব তো তাহলে এই কাজটা এখন কে করবে
Later, a summary of the assessment report on the effort to reduce climate risk in Bangladesh and across the world was exhibited.
Comes close to